Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gum pain relief is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for adults experiencing the discomfort and inconvenience of persistent gum pain, a problem that can significantly affect daily life and overall well-being. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing a long-lasting gum pain relief product, ensuring you find the perfect solution to alleviate your discomfort and restore your oral health. Number 5. DenTek Instant Pain Relief Kit. Are you suffering from a toothache? It's quick and easy to use. This kit provides fast relief from oral pain. It has an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to reach any area of your mouth. No more messy fingers. The fresh mint flavor helps mask the taste of the medication, making it more pleasant to use. It's a soothing and effective solution. This kit contains a maximum strength pain reliever. It provides fast and effective relief from toothaches, sore gums, and mouth sores. It comes with 50 disposable applicators for sanitary and convenient use. Each applicator is easy to use and dispose of properly. The kit includes everything you need: the medication, applicators, handle, and a convenient carrying case. It's perfect for on-the-go relief. What we like? It provides instant and precise relief from oral pain. The kit includes 50 disposable applicators for sanitary use and an ergonomic handle for easy application. If you need a hygienic and convenient solution for on-the-go pain relief, this is the one for you. What people say. The numbing solution really works very well. It numbs and the numbing lasts. The best thing about this kit is the applicator holder and tips. You dip it in the solution with a little stick thing and you can literally put it down in your tooth. If there's a nerve exposed, you can put it right on it. They are disposable, so that is nice too. The little cotton swabs were cute and very useful. It completely did its job, to my pleasant surprise. The DenTek Instant Oral Pain Relief Maximum Strength Kit has been an absolute lifesaver during my recent bout with tooth pain. This product truly delivers on its promise of providing fast and effective relief, making it an essential in my medicine cabinet. As soon as I applied the treatment, I felt an almost immediate numbing sensation that significantly reduced the discomfort from my toothache. The relief was substantial, enabling me to go about my day without being constantly distracted by pain. Number 4. Anbesol Maximum Strength Gel. Are you suffering from a toothache, canker sore, or sore gums? This gel provides fast relief from your oral pain, so you can get back to your day. It's formulated with 20% benzocaine for maximum strength pain relief. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to soothing relief. Simply cut the tip of the tube for easy application. It's suitable for adults and children over 2 years old. It effectively relieves pain from toothaches, canker sores, sore gums, denture irritation, and even pain from aligners. It's your go-to solution for various oral discomforts. You can trust this product. It's been accepted by the American Dental Association, ensuring quality and safety. Experience the relief you deserve. The key ingredient is 20% benzocaine, a proven oral anesthetic that provides fast and effective pain relief. It quickly numbs the affected area for comfortable relief. What we like? This gel offers maximum strength pain relief for various oral issues. It's easy to apply and provides instant soothing relief. If you're looking for powerful and quick relief from intense oral pain, this is a great option. What people say. After I received it, she applied some of the cream. She said minutes later her mouth felt better. This definitely cured my pain for when I needed to eat or drink. There was no pain at all. It worked within a minute and lasted for about 20 minutes, so I had to apply about 5 times a day, but it was not an issue. It helped keep my tooth pain in check over the weekend until I could see the dentist for a cracked and broken tooth. It was easy to apply to the area and lasted quite a bit longer than I expected it would. Number 3. Orajel 3X Toothache Gel. Introducing Orajel 3X, the maximum strength formula for instant toothache and gum pain relief. It's from the #1 oral pain relief brand, providing fast-acting relief you can trust. This powerful gel contains 20% benzocaine for maximum pain relief. It works quickly to numb the affected area, providing soothing comfort. It's not just about pain relief, it also helps kill harmful bacteria in your mouth. This helps prevent further infection and promotes healing. Experience a cooling sensation as it works to relieve your pain. It's a soothing and effective way to manage your discomfort. The new ready-open tube tip makes it easy to access the relief you need, anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for home or on-the-go use. Orajel is the trusted brand for adults seeking effective and reliable relief from toothaches and gum pain. Experience the difference of a leading brand. What we like. It delivers instant pain relief and also helps kill harmful bacteria, preventing infections. It also offers a cooling sensation to soothe irritated gums. If you want fast relief with added antibacterial and cooling benefits, this is a good choice. What people say. The gel works in mere seconds for me, and numbs the area well. One application can last a few hours for me, depending on the severity of my tooth pain. The tube has a precise tip, which makes it easy to apply the gel to the areas of my tooth or gums that hurt. Orajel 3X for toothache and gum pain has proven to be a reliable and effective solution for tackling the discomfort that comes with dental woes. With its targeted formula and rapid relief, this product has become a go-to in my arsenal for managing toothache and gum pain. Number 2. Anbesol Maximum Strength. Are you suffering from a toothache, canker sore, or other mouth pain? It provides fast-acting relief. Get instant relief with this powerful formula. It contains benzocaine, a proven oral pain reliever. It numbs the affected area instantly for temporary relief from your discomfort. This clear liquid formula is undetectable once applied. It stays put where you need it, providing effective numbing. It's accepted by the American Dental Association. It's clinically proven to temporarily relieve mouth pain and discomfort. Small enough to take anywhere, it's perfect for quick relief. Use it up to 4 times a day for adults and children 2 and older, with adult supervision. Don't let mouth pain ruin your day. It's your go-to solution for fast and effective relief. What we like. It offers instant numbing relief with its liquid formula that's undetectable in the mouth. It's also ADA accepted, ensuring its efficacy and safety. If you prefer a discreet, fast-acting liquid and value the ADA seal of approval, this is for you. Number 1. Orajel 4X Pain Relief Cream. It provides instant pain relief. Its unique formula tackles tooth and gum pain effectively. This cream boasts 4 active ingredients for fast-acting, maximum strength relief. It's there when you need it most. It's specially designed to kill harmful bacteria in your mouth, helping prevent infections. This is important for overall oral health. Experience soothing cooling relief from gum irritation. It helps to calm and soothe the affected area. It features a convenient, ready-open tube tip for easy access to relief. It's perfect for home or on-the-go use. For fast, effective relief from toothaches and gum pain, choose Orajel 4X. It's the solution for your oral discomfort. What we like. This cream provides 4X the active ingredients for maximum strength relief. It also kills harmful bacteria and offers cooling relief. If you need extra strength relief and the added benefits of antibacterial and cooling properties, this is the one to choose. What people say. Orajel 4X for toothache and gum pain offers a fast and effective solution for individuals suffering from oral discomfort. The product comes in a convenient 0.33-ounce cream tube, making it easy to carry and apply whenever needed. The cream contains 4 times the active ingredients compared to some of the other options available, aiming to numb the affected area rapidly and efficiently. The application process is straightforward. The cream can be applied directly to the problem spot in the mouth, targeting pain with precision. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.